Stop using phrases like, I don't have time. Okay, say to yourself, I have all the time in the world. I have eternity. Okay, because eternity is all that exists. Okay? Don't say, I'm running out of time to yourself. And once in a while, just stop and be in present moment awareness. Okay? Which means, stop. Right now, as you're listening to me, you're listening to me, turn your attention to who's listening. So when you turn your attention to the listener in the midst of the listening, you become aware of a still presence. And that still presence is the presence of your soul. Your mind is time-bound, your body is time-bound, everything in the world is time-bound, but your soul is timeless. So every time you become aware of that still presence inside you, you go beyond time. And in that moment, your biology responds by slowing its biological clock as well. Right now, as you're looking at me, turn your attention to the space between us. This space between us is timeless. And when you put your attention to the space between us, then you experience that timelessness, and your biological clock slows down. The space between breath, the space between thought, the space between you and me, the space between objects, it all leads to that infinite void which is eternal, spaceless, causeless, and timeless. So in the midst of experience, remind yourself, the experience is time-bound, but me, the experiencer, the one who's having the experience, is timeless. And when you put your attention on the soul, then you put your attention on that which is timeless in the midst of time. And your body responds to that.